Come back. So now we are going to start working on Stat 3.1 from WebWork. All right. So this section has only 4 problems. Problem 1. Calculate the mean and median of the following data and which measure of the center does not work well. So they're asking for mean and median, and anyway you are going to compare both of these. It's better to get started with the median first. So you have these numbers, arrange them in increasing order. There you go. So you arrange these numbers 114 to 19s, after 19 320s, 121 and 199. All right, 999 that is. So question is, first let me handle the median. Median is the middle number. So how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I had to go for the middle number, it would be somewhere here, you see, because 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. Now there is no number over here. When I have an even split like this, that is same number here, same number here, nothing left in the middle, then I take the arithmetic mean of these two, that is 20 plus 20 over 2, average of the two. So that is the median. To take the median, first arrange your numbers in increasing order and go right to the middle spot. Okay, make sure both sides are evenly split. If a number is left over, that would be the median. Nothing is left over, then you take the average of these two. So median is 20 plus 20 in parentheses over 2. All right, that's the median. What about mean? Mean you obtain by adding all the numbers and dividing by the total number of numbers. That is the mean. So I'm going to take something over. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in all 8 numbers. And what goes on the top is we need to add all these guys. So notice how I have written parentheses first over 8. Parentheses is important here. All right. So 14 plus 19, which appears now twice, plus 20, and 20 appears 3 times, plus 821, and then plus 999. So that completes the stuff inside my parentheses. Divide by 8. So now the question is, next question is, which measure of the center does not work very well here? Let's pretend these are, I don't know, the tips, certain tips that servers in a restaurant receive. 14, 9, or one particular evening, 14, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20, 21. These seem reasonable amount of tips. This is unreasonable. All right. So to say, okay, these two are correct. Now to say that 20 is a reasonable amount to represent the amount of tip you received seems correct. But to say 141.5 on an average every individual got is incorrect. In fact, most people got very less compared to 141. All right. So 141 is not a good measure to reflect on an average what people received. And why did that happen? One person received $999. So that made the average look very high. The fact is the others did not receive as much. So this is not a good measure, whereas this is a good measure. So what was this? This was the second one, median. So which is the better measure? Median. Oh, which measure does not work well here? Mean does not work. The first guy, which gave me 141, it does not work well. So it does not work well. I overlooked that. So there you go. That's correct. Next problem. Now, next problem, consider the following data set. Find the mean, median, and modes. Record answers that are not integers to two decimal places. If there is more than one mode, list them all, separated by commas. If there is no mode, enter none. All right. So, let us see data set here. Notice this is not ordered. So, I took the data set and wrote them in order. So the easiest one to figure out is a mode. Which number appears more than any other number? 1 appears once, 2 appears twice. After 2, let's see, everybody else appears once, 15 appears twice. After 15, 17 appears twice, 19 appears twice, 20 appears 3 times. So 20 appears the most number of times. That is your mode. Now median. How do we find the median? Let's see, how many numbers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I need to split it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I split over there, I have 10 on the left and 10 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on the left, 10 on the right, and there is nothing in between. So the median is going to be this plus this over 2. Median is, remember the parentheses, over 2. What goes inside the parentheses? 14 plus 15, the middle two numbers. What about the mean? Well, you just have to add them all up and divide by 10 because those are the number of numbers you have. So let's not make a mistake. So parentheses over 10 is what I'm looking at. No, sorry, 20, because there are 20 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 here, 10 here, 20 in all. So what goes inside the parentheses is every one of these. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 17 plus 19 plus 19 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. So that got me the numerator. Remember, there is a parenthesis upstairs over 20. Everyone is correct. All right, all of these are correct. Next problem. For the given data, find summation x. Summation x means add every x. So I'm going to simply write down 1.4 plus 1.2 plus 3.3 plus 2.9 plus 1.5 plus 1.3. That's what sigma x means. Add all the x's. What is n? How many numbers do you have? One number you have, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what this is. So there are 6 numbers. That is your n. N is the number of numbers. Sum x is you add all the x's. All right, next problem. Sum x, n and x bar. X bar means average. Average in the sense of mean. So first let's find the sum x. So 5 plus 17 plus 17 plus 15 plus 23 plus 17 plus 18 plus 11. So you add all these guys. How many numbers are here? Well, they go until x8. So 1, 2, 3, so on until 8. There are 8 numbers. How do I find x bar? X bar is the arithmetic mean. I have to add all these guys and divide by the total number of numbers. So I can simply cut and paste, right? So something on the top over 8, because there are 8 numbers. So what goes inside those parentheses? Don't forget parentheses. All right. What goes in the parentheses is the stuff above. So I can simply copy and then paste. Okay, so that completes this particular section. Next video will cover the next section. There is one more set, mind you. If you see 3-1, there is that one that we completed. There is one more. Okay, so I'll come back to this in my next video. Until then, bye.